it with your dad.
Then you'd be a dirty bitch, bruv, because my dad's on drugs.
Yo, this guy is funny. I said, I think his episode was actually the funniest, episode 8.
I met this thing
Mad,
on Facebook, yeah, years ago. I met this thing
What
on
is it with you on Facebook?
Facebook was the spot back then. You get bare baby mums on Facebook. Bare baby mums. Bare people's mums on Facebook.
What?
Bare people's mums on Facebook. Like people like that.
You're telling the truth.
A few people's mums on Facebook.
Wait, as in like people your age mums or just baby
Yeah,
mums?
no, baby mums and people's mums. Like POF as well. That's the spot if you want to get the baby mums.
What?
Real talk, that's the spot. You see Tinder's like Instagram, bro. People just on there trying to look cute. POF and shit. That's where the real baby mums are.
Cheating's mad.
Yo, this guy know
The fact
everything,
that you think
bruh.
it's so normal is crazy. Do you
Yeah.
think like social media has normalised that?
Yeah, do you know what it is? Yeah, because it's too much options right now. Do you know what I mean? Like back in the day, you go carnival and you see one Chris Ting, and you're like, yo, you never see that bitch again in your life, bro. Ever in life, you're like, yo.
That's true, man. Social
Now,
media really
if your girl
make
pisses you off,
everything
you go online, just go on a little explore.
prevalent,
Yo,
man.
There's bare things, bruv. If you get me, get a light skin ting, dark skin ting, thick ting, mixed race ting. There's bare too much options. Now you just lose your mind. Way too much options.
But you have a choice. Just
That's
not to
true,
do that.
bruh.
You can just not pick up the phone and look through.
I'm telling you,
Nah.
there's things out here. The cankles are mad. The cankles are mad. The thighs is mad.
You're a good man.
Yeah, I'm a very good man. I'm a lovely person.
Because the thing is, I'm not saying you're not,
Yeah.
but for me, like a good man is a loyal person that wouldn't do that, if that makes sense. Like you can get faced with opportunities and choices like you
Dude,
have
the
a
woman
choice,
never like
you
when
could
you have
be
options,
loyal
but like,
to
but
your-
them can have.
Yeah, man. But
like,
if
how
it
are
comes
you
to,
You know
if
what's
it comes
funny?
to money,
She want to be friend with her ex, this guy, that guy, this guy, over there guy, this guy. Isn't it the same when you know that those guys want sex from you? So they're not really your friend. So, but you have a problem with a guy doing certain things. Yeah, that's the men mustn't have any option. The woman can have all the option in the world. That's basically how it is, bro.
I'm
It's
the
like
most loyal person you'll ever know.
hypocrisy.
Bruv. I'll never fuck you ever when it comes to the money. If it's peas, bruv, you can trust me like a mad thing.
Really?
You can leave a whole £1 million, I'll never touch it.
Really?
Ever, nah. Man's not teeth. You get me?
They're
But
just a cheat.
yeah, but like I said, people get over that, bruv. Like 1-2 years, you're blessed.
No, this is what I'm saying. Cheat's scarring. Like if, you know, the guy that cheated on me, like that really scarred me.
So you still think about it, man?
No, I don't think about him. I just think you're an arsehole because now it's harder for me to trust. I wouldn't say I have trust issues because, you know, like I can get over it. But it just makes me so
yeah,
hesitant
right.
when I'm moving forward with someone because someone that you're so happy with and like really love, you think you love and you think they love you, cheats on you.
Would you say though?
Have you
Dude,
ever
wait.
seen a woman
I don't
cry?
get
It's
it.
right.
What love have to do is, dude, that's the next thing. The Hollywood has really sold us a dream, man, with all these Disney fairy tale bullshit, man. Dude, as long as you're getting taken care of, you're getting your bills paid, you're getting looked after, everything else is okay. Who cares about whatever else is going on, dude? What the hell?
In public
I
and
just
that,
never
like, it's a bit
understand this
mad
shit,
because now you
man.
got me looking like R. Kelly or something, bruv. It's mad. You gotta leave that shit in the house. Like, do that shit inside. But like, to be fair, most times I don't give a bruv. I'll just be like, yo, bruv, 2 years time you ain't gonna give a shit about this. You get over it.
Would you say you're husband material?
I'm a work in progress. Like, when I hit that, I'm just gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, though. But for now, got laying down the
This
nose.
nigga said he's
So when
work
you
in
just
progress.
basically have an open relationship.
Lay down the lane.
No, not swingers, like, I'm not
I
trying
said,
to
lay
swing
down
it,
the
man.
brick.
Yeah, that's mad.
But you
That's
wanna-
that cuckold thing, innit?
Yeah.
You know them ones? That's mad. That's mad. I don't know how
I
people
feel
do
like
that,
that's the
bro.
best solution for you.
Nah, man. Have you ever seen them cuckold pornos? That's a mad thing. Like, some
Yeah,
guy
that's kinda
some
weird,
wedge
dude.
black
That's
brother
some-
just fucking the shit out of his wife, and man just like, yeah.
Some
yeah.
weird
You
kinks,
know what I mean?
man. I
That's
think
mad.
that's like
What
some
kind of pornos
fetish,
you
bro.
though? Like,
I don't
over
actually
here?
watch porn
Just stop
anymore.
it.
I used to. No, I genuinely don't anymore.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Why you stop
She's
watching it?
lying,
Like,
man.
don't
I
get
don't
me
believe her,
wrong,
bro.
it's
She's
great.
lying,
It's
bro.
fun, these pages, but I'd watch it
You're
with my partner,
lying.
With like watching it inspo.
Yeah, that
together,
shit is
oh,
lit,
it's
you know.
nice,
That
you
shit is
know.
lit. I'm not gonna lie though, like literally, sex is amazing, but some pornos, bruv, they take you some other
Yeah,
places.
they make you feel disgusting.
No, I'm not gonna lie, like,
Though
I
they're
was watching
based
some
on
BBW
fantasy.
orgies thing, it was mad. You just saw bare bum cheeks, bruv, bare meat, bare sweat. The girl, you saw bare, like,
That's so
you saw bare
disgusting,
freaking
man.
Thing. It was beautiful. I was like, yo.
Why do we keep talking about sex? I feel like I'm going to ask you. No,
Oh, no, my bad. Sorry, I was trying to take it to another place, bruv. Sorry.
We're always talking about sex. Do you think about sex a lot? But I'm not asking you that. Don't answer that. I'm not asking
No,
you
no,
about
no,
sex.
no, not at all.
I swear, all of their talk was much about sex, bro.
No, no, not for me, bruv.
Most of the
That's a slippery
conversation
slope right there,
based
bruv.
on
That's
something
a
about
slippery
sex or
slope
something
right
weird.
there. That's some prison play, cuz. I can't be on that. But to a girl,
Just
yeah.
like a little massage.
No. If I'm fucking a girl, like, I can put my finger in your arse and all that, so that's blessed. But I'm not trying to insert shit on me, bruv. That's a mad thing.
No?
Mad thing,
Hell
bruv.
no.
Nothing to the
Shout out
back,
to my
bruv.
Jamaicans, bruv. Let's just, no, bruv.
Oh, him give a shout out to the Jamaicans, bruh. Shout out to the Jamaicans, bruh.
That's a mad thing.
No?
Hell no. Shout out to my Jamaicans, bruv. Let's just,
No rare
no,
thing,
bruv.
bruh. Nah, bruv. No rare thing around here.
Yeah.
Mad thing.
Yeah.
Really?
That's calm.
Are you cheat?
No,
You ever be submissive?
I just don't believe it.
Why?
Like when a girl tries to dominate me, I'm just like what are you doing? Like literally, I'll mash you up. Like stop. Out of all the girl I've been with, there's only been one.
Mash
that's
you up,
dominant,
bruh.
yeah? That's because I think she was like some narcissist kind of mad person, innit? Like so literally, she literally really had issues. You get me? Are you dominant?
Can be.
You look mad submissive. I'm not gonna lie. You look like somebody mash you up.
Really?
Yeah. Like it depends. If like you feel like the guy's a pussy, I feel like you'll fully own him in that. You get me?
Yeah, because she
But,
looks
like,
so
if it's a man,
simple
like, she
and
was like, yo.
delicate
Put
in
the
a
work
way,
in.
but
Depends
she
on your
could be a.
energy, what energy you're bringing, innit?
Right, to me,
That's
she
what I'm
that
saying.
freak, bruh.
Okay. Very good at managing money. When you ain't had no money, bruv, you can make a pound stretch for time. I remember back in the day, I was working, doing some nightclub bouncing thing, doing some kitchen portering thing. When at lunch breaks and when I was leaving, I'd steal the food, take to my yard, bruv, because I was like, yo, this little bit of money you lot are giving me is shit.
Yeah.
I
It's
got
not
teeth
making
in
time
food.
stretch. This
Yeah,
is
my
making-
teeth in the shit, bruv. I just teeth food, bruv. You get me? It is what it is.
You're not bringing money, you're just taking
No,
food.
I hold my shit. I keep my shit. You get me? Catching the train, I'd walk. Catching the bus, I'd walk.
Yeah,
Walk from
stretching
Central
money.
London to West.
So now that
Mad.
he
Do you have a good
actually
credit rating?
get it now.
You get me? The bailiffs is mad, bruv. They try to come after me. I'm like, yo, fam, I ain't owe nothing in this place, bruv. You can check. I don't know. Cool. You get me? You come in here, bruv.
Nah,
you
that's
got
like,
the
I'm
stove
wondering
in the
how the
fridge,
hell
bruv.
did
You
she
can't
give
take
him a
that.
small score when she was laughing? Dude,
Years ago, I can't cry.
I think she laughed the
I have
most
to force myself to
of
cry. Sometimes,
Castillo,
like,
man.
I
She
got-
got the
I
most
gotta force
laugh.
it. But I
And
ain't
well,
crying
somebody
years,
else,
bruv.
two other
I never
person,
cry
but
about it.
Castillo was the
Sometimes I try
most
and make
smile I
myself because
feel
I feel
girl
like
have,
you gotta do
man.
that shit, but
Crazy.
nah.
That's wild.
But she still
Like,
give him a
what
low
did you get
score.
upset? What'd you do?
I get the over it, man. It's like, it is what it is. And that makes me cry. Like, I just feel like, what are you gonna do?
Does anything make you sad?
Being broke. That makes me super sad. You know when you got no
Dude.
money in your account, you got that last 10, you're like,
Dude, honest to God, I know what he's saying. I've been in a situation like that before. I know I'm in a better place now, but being that, what he said is total shit. The worst thing ever, man. It's like people said, money can't make you happy. Fuck that shit. Being broke don't make you happy either, man. That's crazy. You know what's funny? All those people who talking about money can't make you happy, they're not giving away their money. So think about that. They're not giving away their money.
what's a hypersexual?
Pretty sure it
so
actually
it's like an addict, but
contribute
it
to
stems from
some
trauma,
level of
like a traumatic
happiness.
experience.
Like what, if like my uncle played with my willy or something?
Yeah.
Like, nah, bruv.
Oh.
Nah, but to be
I know
fair,
it's a personal
no,
question,
but to be fair,
with people that have sex a
I had
lot, it
like-
stems from trauma usually.
I had my first sex experience at like 8 years old though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. So
No,
this
no,
is what I'm
8
saying,
Tell her,
now-
years
I was
old.
5, and then the ting was like next door, she was like about 14. She'd come
Damn,
climb over the fence.
that's-
This is in Dominica in the Caribbean. She climbed over the fence and then, like,
Oh,
she'd
you from
come
Dominica?
rub up on me and that.
No,
Dominican
that's literally,
Republic.
from-
No, but I
Because
liked
the
it,
one
though,
in
I'm
which
not gonna
Caribbean
lie.
country it was, so it's
Like,
actually Dominican
wanna,
Republic.
Like, everyone likes to come or whatever it is. Like, can you even come at 5?
I don't know, bro,
That's
but I just
really
know I like
like-
it.
That's
It just made me
kinda-
feel tingly, bro. Every time I just be looking
That's
at her.
borderline.
Her name was
That's really
Sabrina.
concerning.
The R word.
Shout out to Sabrina.
That's-
No, that's not shout out to Sabrina. Like,
Shout out to
she's
her, bro. I don't know what she's doing now, bro.
disgusting,
Shout out
like,
to
That's
you, though.
basically
It's like nonce behaviour. Don't shout her out. How would you feel if your friends
The
know
R
that
word.
all my selfies?
If my friends was liking her selfies,
Yeah.
I wouldn't know, bro. I try not to keep a lot of friends
Why?
because I just feel like I've got to be focused. You can't trust too many men around you. I chill with gal.
Really?
Yeah.
And you just sleep with them all.
Yeah, I'd rather do that. Chill with a bunch of men.
What if I was in a gang?
I don't date waste gal. I date proper things.
What's a proper
Proper
thing?
job, like real job, real ambitions and that. You get me? You can't just be out here just whatless, just out here about for your life. Because next thing you know, when you fall on hard times, you're out here shotting your pussy for £10 notes, bruv. It's mad.
Yeah, but I think that's okay though. I think you should.
What, shotting your pussy for £10?
No, but I mean, like, you shouldn't judge someone just because their life choices.
Oh
No,
my
no, It's
God.
not for me, bruv.
Okay.
Because that shit was gonna get worse. Next thing you're gonna try to sell my TV, bruv. Sell my iPhone. Fuck that.
What would you do if I got
Oh my
in
god, this
prison for
nigga is
fighting?
funny, bro.
That's your business. You're gonna
Get
be
away from
you're,
me.
you're gonna be eating a lot of prison pussy, bruv. Because boy, I'm gone.
You're gone.
I'm fully gone, bruv. By the time you go in, the first day you go in there, what's the next thing, bruv? Like literally, it's a bit mad for you.
Yo.
It's not for you, bruv. You should have stayed in school, done your
Oh my
A-levels,
god.
bruv. Now you're in prison.
Yo, this
You get me?
nigga.
Negotiating over
Yo, you
pot
can't be
noodles
wrong him, bro. What do
and
you say?
fish
You
sticks,
can't be
bruv.
wrong him,
That's
bro.
dead.
What if
Totally.
I was to see your DMs right now?
You didn't see cool.
Really?
I delete that shit. It'd be too much. It'd be too much. I got thousands of that shit.
Do you get with them?
What do you mean? Messaging me?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Nothing in like possesses me to think, let me message this guy online and say, hey, what are you doing tonight? Like,
No, because obviously I do the social media thing, innit? So people get
gassed.
used to you. They feel like they know you. So then they ask you for help. They feel connected to you, innit? Which I don't mind. Yeah, but with me, I try not to. I don't ever blur the lines with the social media thing because there's some crazy gal out there, and I don't want you in my house trying to steal my furniture, bruv. You get me? You gotta keep people the away. One time a gal
That's
came to
true,
my house
man.
and she started burning candles in my living room, bruv, doing a fucking seance. That bitch was crazy.
What if I actually slept with your dad?
And you'd be a dirty bitch, bruv. 'Cause my dad's on drugs.
Oh.
Oh,
So
really?
that's mad. My dad's a crackhead, bruv. So, boy, your life is a mad thing. I feel like I'm at the stage in life here where...
Dude,
any gal I
I'm
meet
sorry
now,
they
like, I gotta
didn't
be able to bust
actually
in their
put
mouth.
this in the original series. I wonder why they didn't put it in there.
Like, that's how I like to finish off.
In my mouth.
Yeah, like, I just feel like it's mad sexy. You know what I mean? Like,
I think it's quite disrespectful.
that's why it's sexy, do you know what I mean? Because
So you
then,
wanna
like,
disrespect
when
me?
I go on your Instagram afterwards and I see men on your comments and I'm like, yeah, busting over her face.
That's what I'm saying about ego. So it's not about me or you. Now it's about proving a point to the men.
Yeah, and it's for me as well. Like, you know
Oh
what I mean?
my god, wait.
Satisfaction.
This shit
And
is
one day,
funny as hell,
see
bro.
men on your comments and I'm like,
I'm gonna go back, but this shit is
in life, yeah.
funny.
Well, any girl I meet now, like, I gotta be able to bust in your mouth. Like, that's how I
Dude,
like to
she's
finish off.
stunned.
In my mouth.
Yeah, like, I just feel like it's mad sexy. You know what I mean? Like,
I think it's quite disrespectful.
that's why it's sexy. Do you know what I mean? 'Cause
You
then,
wanna
like,
disrespect
when
me?
I go on your Instagram afterwards and I see men on your comments and I'm like,
Yo,
yeah,
this nigga is
busting over her face.
crazy. But he's
That's what I'm saying
he's
about
actually
ego.
telling the
It's
truth,
not
man. He's
about
a
me
power-
or you. Now it's
power
about
thing, bro, like-
proving a point to you.
Yeah, and it's for me as well, like, you know what I mean? Like, just that satisfaction.
Yeah,
So then
so
one
you-
day if you ever chat shit, bro, I'll be like, bro, I was busting over your face, bro. Relax yourself. This is some advice for the ladies out there. You gotta get with
Oh
the guy
my
that loves his
God.
mum, yeah? Like, you see me, I love my mum, innit? So as much as I move mad, yeah, I'm not a super dickhead to gal them. You get me? Cheating is cheating, bro. You get over that and like, bro, next year you ain't
I
even
don't know
give a,
about that.
bro, next year you ain't even about man like that. You ain't even think about it, bro. You're an IB for, I'm nice to ladies because like of my mum, innit? But there's
cheating's
man,
not
them,
nice.
but man them out here, yeah, that don't love their mum, bruv. They're like, yeah, fuck my mum. My mum's a
Cheating's not
dickhead.
nice, though.
Yeah, they're horrible guys, bruv.
Cheating
No, but you get over that. You get
contributes
me?
to not being nice.
No, not really though, because you get over that. You can get over that, man. It's not that deep.
No, it is deep. It is deep.
Like literally, 1-2 years, you ain't even think about man no more. You're like, yo, you look back on his Instagram, you're like, yo,
Yeah,
man's
because he's
butters,
gone.
bruv.
This
Look
is
at
what
his
I'm
big
saying,
head,
he's been
bruv.
gone, but you
He's
shouldn't
ugly
do
youth,
that.
bruv, and you don't even think about him like that.
Do you lack conversations or like emotions and stuff? Like
Yeah,
people?
I love conversations. That's when you know you're getting deep with a girl. Yeah? Like sex is good, yeah, but you know when sex is better? When you get deep and like you really get to know that person on next levels.
Damn,
You get
yo,
what I'm saying? And
I
you
see
realize
that
you
she
two
couldn't control
are in
this dude
sync
none at
with
all,
the
bro. She
thing,
was
'cause then
trying,
you
but
start doing the
couldn't
madness.
work, bro.
You get
That's
me?
how
Then
she
you
gave
just-
him a
you know when
small
you just in
score.
someone and like, if you go out to a rave or something, yeah, and you're together, it feels like you're the only two people in the whole room.
Yeah.
That shit there when you get to know someone. But to be fair, these days, bruv, people is on a madness. You can't really know people like that.
Yeah, but do you not even try? Because I feel like you just sound so active that you don't even try.
Nah, I feel like you gotta let that shit be natural. You gotta be natural with everything. Yeah, if you force shit, it's dead. Everything has to be natural. You
That's
can feel
true.
a connection with somebody real quick. You get what I'm trying to say? You ever gone on a date with someone and like you just feel it? You're like, yo, I feel like I've known this person my whole life.
Yeah.
You get me? Other times you're gonna date and you're like, rah, this guy's a dickhead, man. You get me? But then some
I
other
get
people,
that.
you just feel like your spirits is on
You know
some
that's funny? I guess that she was actually thinking about this day right now. Castillo, that dickhead, bro.
You get me? You feel like your spirits on
I
some,
don't know, that's what I'm
some
saying.
Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, dead out thing,
Yeah.
bruv. You get me? You're just on next levels.
Right, what's the extremes you go?
You like if somebody spits in your mouth? Why? What are you thinking
If you're my
about?
man, yeah, 100%.
That's kinda
sleeping with a woman, going down on her.
Dude, that's kind of gross. But when it's like in the situation, it's probably possible. I'm not really gonna think about too much. But just saying it right now, not in the situation, it does sound gross, bro.
the night before and then come around mine and spit in my mouth the next day. Like, you could be active and then you're gonna spit in my mouth with someone else's like pussy juice on them.
I like all that spitting shit. I like sloppy head. I like when a girl.
But you let me
riding
spit in your mouth.
What now?
Not now.
I don't even know like you like that, man. Relax
No,
yourself.
not
You're moving
now.
mad. So what is
Not
it?
now, would you?
If it was f***ing, yeah, of course. That's
But
part
what
of
if I
fucking.
was sleeping with someone the night before?
I don't
You
think
know
about
my
that.
history.
What would I be able to do? I
But
don't
this is how
even
people
know.
catch like STDs and STIs and stuff.
Not from spitting in the mouth.
No, but like if you're like really active, just and then just doing.
Nah, but that's if you're doing a bareback thing. Do you do bareback?
No.
You don't fuck bareback? Never.
This is my man. This is my. Man.
So you never had a night where you f somebody bareback? I know you fucked
Yeah, if
bareback
it's my
before.
man, I'm actually.
Imagine.
Because I like.
Dude, this girl is lying, bruh. Dude, you know what you said? You said if they never do something, be about not with your man, like casual. Never.
I like all that spitting shit. I like
Never
sloppy
do
head.
it.
I like when a girl.
But you let me
riding
spit in your mouth.
What now?
She would never
Not now.
admit
I
that
don't even
on
know like
camera.
you like that, man. Relax
No,
yourself.
not
You're
now.
moving mad. What is this?
Not now, would you?
If it was f***ing, yeah, of course. That's
But
part
what
of
if I
fucking.
was sleeping with someone the night before?
Dude, I
You know
swear,
my history.
Castillo is
What would I
the
be able to
best.
do? I
Dude,
don't
I'm
even know.
surprised this guy's got like such a. Well, I know why he got a
No,
low
No, but
score,
like if you're
but
like really active, just and then.
couldn't
just doing
control this
that.
Nah,
dude.
but that's
This
if
dude
you're
is
doing a bareback. thing. Do you do
wild.
bareback?
No.
You don't fuck bareback? Never.
This is my man. This is my man.
So you never had a night where you f somebody bareback? I know you fucked
Yeah, if
bareback
it's my
before.
man, I'm actually not active.
Mad thing.
Can go like years. Like
Years?
I've done a
Stop
celibate
it.
year. Yeah,
What?
I
So
go,
you got
like,
cobwebs and things.
I go through phases where I'm like celibate because it's like I have like a really bad experience because I hate the guys that I seem to just come quick and they're selfish in bed. So then it will like trigger me and I'll think I'm not gonna have sex for like a year. Literally, we'll not have sex for a year. Then
I don't believe
and then
that.
be put off again.
I don't
So-
believe that,
So
bro.
your usual type, like, where'd you meet them guys?
No, well, I'm trying to do something different and meet people in different places and stuff because I kind of feel.
Wonder what kind of guy she meet,
Like,
bro.
you're
Like
right.
seriously.
I can't blame men because it's clearly me choosing bad men. Do you know what I mean? So
See, I
I'm
told
not
you
blaming
like bad man, innit? That's what it is.
So I feel like the guy's a bit bad. Like his ego, he will like make you come.
What do you mean?
But I feel like you've got an ego, so you would want me to come.
I feel like I've had a lot of toxic relationships.
Dude,
but
and it's
the
the guy
one
that
that
I'm-
stands out
dude,
the most.
I wouldn't even be
Ever.
surprised if Castillo
is
beat the
like, I was
skins
seeing this thing. and I
in
was
the
doing
back
mad
scene. Like
cheating,
nobody
I'm not
actually
even
knows
gonna
what's
lie,
going
I was
on.
doing so much
I wouldn't
cheating,
even
was
be
cheating on
surprised.
her
And she
with people
hit up my
she
boy
knew,
Castillo.
all of that. And I think she even knew
in the
that, but
DM
then she'd ask me
secretly.
questions. I one, two of her friends, bare them things there, yeah. And literally, it was so bad. She tried to cut my hair, blood. It was mad. In a way, she kind of got her revenge though, because I remember one time, like, I think I was chilling in her yard, and I made a joke about it. Like, since we've had this break, like, we slept with anybody. And then she said something like, she said, yeah, I've someone on your Twitter. And then we just laughed it off. She goes, somebody retweeted. And I just laughed it off, yeah? A few months later, it's actually true. She actually did something on my Twitter, bruv. It was mad.
How did you feel about
I was
that?
mad heartbroken. And I was like, yo, you're moving mad,
Yeah,
bruv.
see? What is that? So
mad.
like,
Do you know
you
what-
can do the most, and then the moment a girl does that back to you, you're like, well,
Man.
that's too much. That is too much.
Do you know what it
Like,
is? This gonna, I feel you on that one, yeah, because I can't, do you know what it is? This ego in it, because I'll tell you what, yeah, this happened so many times, like, I'll be moving super mad, yeah, super mad. Girl will be like, oh, what is this? What are we? And I'll be like, look, babes, I ain't trying to look for nothing like that, man. It's not looking for nothing, blah, 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 blah. And then we'd get back together, spend time together, whatever. And I'd be like, oh, so during this time, like, when we didn't see each other, what have you done? And she'd be like, oh, I went on a date. And I'd be like, a date, bruv? What the
see?
a f***ing date, bruv? So how many times a week do you
I don't know.
you're like,
Yo,
how many
No, I
times?
swear to
Yo,
God,
honest to God, this guy is funny
I
as
just laughed it
hell.
off.
Dude,
Yeah.
I actually
2
like
months
these
later,
two,
it's actually
like,
true. She actually did something on my
their
Twitter, bro. It was
banter.
mad.
How did you feel about
That's
that?
where the
I was
UK are with
heartbroken.
it, the
I was like,
banter,
yo,
bro.
you're moving mad,
Yeah,
man.
see?
I like their
What is
banter,
that?
bro.
So,
Nah,
like,
do you know
you
what-
can do the most, but then the moment a girl does that back to you, you're like, well,
Bruv.
that's too much. That is too much.
Do you know what it
Like,
is? This gonna, I feel you on that one, yeah, because I can't, do you know what it is? This ego in it, because I'll tell you what, yeah, this happened so many times, like, I'll be moving super mad, yeah, super mad. Girl will be like, oh, what is this? What are we? And I'll be like, look, babes, I ain't trying to look for nothing like that, man. It's not looking for nothing, blah, 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 blah. And then we'd get back together, spend time together, whatever. And I'd be like, oh, so during this time, like, when we didn't see each other, what have you done? And she'd be like, oh, I went on a date. And I'd be like, a date, bruv? What the
see?
a f***ing date, bruv?
Oh
How many
my
times a
God,
week
this shit is funny, bro.
I know.
You're lying. How many
No, I
times?
swear to God, not enough.
When's the last time you...
Well, I was dating someone.
No, I didn't ask you that. I'm asking you when you get some. That shit was last...
Yo, I knew it, bro. Dude, this chick is lying. She's lying, bro. Man said, when last you did something, dude? Who she tried to fool, bro? Come on, let's be real, bro. Let's be real. No fucking way. He's smashing, bro.
Night though, the look on
No,
your
it
face
wasn't
right now.
last night. It was not. I'm not active. I'm actually not active.
Mad thing.
Dude, look at her eyes, bro. She's lying, man. Yo. Honestly, God, this shit was funny as hell, even though it was short. Dude, I wouldn't mind seeing an interview with two of them again, bro. Like, this is funny as